Brillo pads that's abrasive, you don't want to use. You don't need to use these to clean it. How do you properly clean and not damage your countertops? Keep in mind, stone countertops, they're sealed, and they're sealed when they're fabricated. And over time, chemicals in food and chemicals in cleaners can break down the sealer that's on the stone, whatever kind of stone it is. So you got to be careful that you're not using things that's going to hurt it. Things like Comet that's abrasive, you don't want to use. Brillo pads that's abrasive, you don't want to use. You don't need to use these to clean it. If it's properly sealed, all you really need to do is clean it with soap. Things like vinegar and citric acid and any kind of acid can also damage the sealer. Soap, regular soap and a sponge is really all you need to clean, and then dry it off. Keep in mind our water, certain parts of town has got a lot of chemicals, a lot of minerals and things in it that also will damage the sealer. So after you get it wet and clean it, you need to dry it off to get the water off. If you want to go the extra mile, there's special stone cleaners that you can use. This is just an everyday cleaner. You just spray it on and wipe it off, and it's formulated with cleaners that don't hurt the sealer, don't hurt the stone. And then there's also some that have sealer in the bottle. This is Revitalizer. And you just, after you've cleaned it, you just wipe it on, spray it on, wipe it off, and voila,